Good morning. Please raise your right hand. Do you solemnly swear or affirm the testimony you're about to give is the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth?
Yes.
Thank you so much. You can go ahead and have a seat. Ma'am, if you would please speak into the microphone. Tell us your full name and spell your last name for the record, okay?
Laura Cecchini, my last name. It's Zeccchini.
Good morning, Mrs. Cecchini. How are you?
Good morning.
Good. What do you do? Do you work?
Yes and no.
Give me the yes part.
Oh, well, I do sometimes Uber.
Uber?
Yes, but I have investments here.
Okay.
So I live from my investments.
Okay. So how long have you worked with Uber?
Oh, about 4 years.
Okay. And only Uber, or do you work for another company?
No, only Uber.
Just Uber?
Yes.
Okay. Ms. Zucchini, I'd like to call your attention to Wednesday, February the 14th, 2018. Do you remember that day?
Yes.
Okay. Did you have occasion to pick someone up and bring them to Marjorie Stoneman Douglas High School?
Yes.
Okay. Your Honor, I'm going to offer a certified copy of Uber records. The defense has seen this. 11R.
No objection? Other than 401, Your Honor. Okay. State's Exhibit 11R, like Richard, will be received as 252.
Okay, Mr. King, I'm going to show you State's Exhibit 252. Let's see if I can. It's hard to read it. Oh, there we go. All right, do you recognize that? Can you see that?
Yes.
Okay, and it shows the name Nicholas Cruz, right? See
Right.
at the top. Thanks for choosing Uber, Nicholas Cruz. See that?
No?
At the top.
Okay.
See it?
Yes.
Okay, so what is this?
It's the address. Will he request me?
Okay,
And the address that Uber showed me
okay,
to take him to that address. I don't know that it was school.
okay. And it shows the time you picked him up. Is that right?
Yes, I think it was right. I have my phone in my bag, so. But I think it's all right.
Okay. You mean, tell me when you say you kept your phone. What's the significance of your phone?
Did you say your glasses? You need your glasses?
No.
Oh, okay. I'm sorry.
Your phone.
My phone is in my bag.
Right, I know. Why do you mention your phone?
Because it's the colors are different.
Okay, so on your phone you have this?
Yes.
Okay, that's what I think the judge was
Okay.
was getting at. So tell us how it works.
They request me, and I go to the address to pick the person, the passenger, the rider.
Okay, so how do they request you? How do you know where to
It
go?
comes out. It pops out
It pops out where?
in the phone, in the app,
Okay, in your phone.
in my phone.
Okay, so how does it pop out? What does it show?
You are online with the Uber, and
Right.
it comes out. It comes out. To pick up It pops out the address where you have to pick up the rider, the passenger.
Okay, so when it pops out, it gives you an address.
Yes.
So how do you know? How do you get to the address?
It's like on Google Map. It shows where you have to pick it up.
Okay, so you went to 7200 Loxahatchee Road?
Yes.
Okay. and at 2:06 you got the call, right? You
Yes,
picked up?
the request,
All
yeah.
right. Do you remember picking someone up at 72 Loxahatchee Road?
Just Nicholas Cruz?
Yeah?
Yes,
Okay.
well, Nicholas, because it shows only, no, it shows the name.
All right.
I am not sure, I don't remember.
Okay. So tell us what happened. You go pick him up. What happened?
I picked him up and he comes in the car and
What
he
kind of
told
car?
me he was going to his music class and that's all.
Okay. He said he was going to music class. Did he have anything with him?
Yes, he had a big, well, right now I know it's a backpack, but for me in that time it was a case,
Okay.
a guitar case,
Okay. All right. So what kind of vehicle did you have?
a RAV4.
A RAV4?
Yes, Toyota.
Okay. It's a four-door vehicle?
Yes,
Where
I
did
saw.
where did he get in? Where did he get in the car?
And the Loxahatchee, in the back.
In the back?
Yes.
Okay. So, what happened once he got into the back of your vehicle?
Yes, he come in and well, that's when he told me that he was going to the music class,
Okay.
and he get in.
Okay. And this says that the ride lasted 12 minutes and 56 seconds.
That's
Okay. How did you know where to go?
it's the map from Uber show me the way to go to the school. Well, to go to the address that comes out.
Okay. Let me show you State's Exhibit marked 15C, which appears to be kind of a bigger. You recognize?
Yes, yes,
Is that what's on your phone?
yes. It's the same.
It's the same as on your
Yes.
phone? And
Yes.
even though it happened back in February of 2018, you still have it on your phone?
Yes,
Okay, and this is what it shows on your phone?
yes.
Okay. Your Honor, I'd like to offer State's Exhibit 15C.
Is there any objection?
No, ma'am.
We haven't seen it, Judge.
Oh, no, I'm sorry.
That's okay. Other than 401, no objection. Okay, State's Exhibit 15C as in Charlie will be received as 253.
Okay, Ms. Zucchini, I want to show you now State's Exhibit 253. So, this is what appears on your phone.
Yes,
So 72 Loxahatchee Road, right?
yes,
And 5901 Pine Island Road.
yes.
And then what's the,
Okay, yes, yes,
Okay, and is that the route you take?
yes.
Okay. And the distance is 4.69 miles?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. So when you're in the car with him, any conversation other than what you said?
Well, no, he asked me if I was, I was from the neighborhood, so from the area.
Right.
I know I told him no, that I pick up some passengers and drop them in the area, that's all.
Okay. And did you observe what he was doing, if anything, while he was in the back seat of your RAV4?
Well, he was on the phone,
Okay.
that's all.
Okay. So let me show you now State's Exhibit 1. Do you remember reaching that intersection of Hamburg and Pine Island?
Yes.
Okay, what happened when you reached that intersection?
When we arrived to the light, the app from Uber was showing me that to go straight.
Okay.
And in the light, he told me to turn to left on Pine Island Road.
Okay. Could you draw where you went left? On this, you pick a color and it can show you can,
Pick a color?
yeah.
This gentleman can show you if you need help.
How do I do that? Oh,
Okay.
oh
Okay, is
on this one? Yes. That's it.
so that's where you went?
Yes.
Okay. All right. And you were going to go straight, he told you to turn left.
Yes.
Okay, I have no further questions, Your Honor, of Ms. Akini.
Okay, defense, do you have any questions?
Briefly, Judge.
Okay.
You want any of this, Ms. Curtis?
Um,
Oh, it's there.
Thank you.
Good morning, ma'am.
Hey, good morning.
On this particular day, Mr. Cruz used the Uber pool option, correct?
Excuse me?
Mr. Cruz used the Uber pool option, correct?
Yes.
Okay, an Uber pool is a shared ride option, correct? It's less money, but you might have to share your ride with another person,
Yes,
right?
that's right.
And there are other, can you hear me? Oh. There are other options where you wouldn't have to share your ride, correct?
Yes.
Okay. Excuse me. And when the person orders the Uber pool, they don't know whether they're going to have to share the ride, correct?
No, well, they have to know, they have to share the ride.
Okay, but it didn't happen in this case, but it might have happened, right?
It might have, yes.
It was possible.
Yes, it's possible.
Okay. And do you remember Mr. Cruz being anxious and nervous when you dropped him off?
Yes. Well, that's what I feel.
Okay. I don't have any more questions. Thank you.
Okay, state any more questions for this
Yeah,
witness?
I just have one question. Do you know if Mr. Cruz always used the pool?
No.
You don't know that? Okay. Thank you, Your Honor.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. You're excused.
Your Honor, before she goes, can we have a sidebar?
Sure. Just 1 second, please.
Make these other 5 pool overrides part of State's exhibit that's already been introduced in evidence as 252. I can make it a separate.
I think you need to make it a separate
Okay,
exhibit.
all right.
252 is already in evidence.
Okay. H, Your Honor.
And this is a certified document? Did you say?
Yeah, it was part of the certification of 252. So we're making a separate.
Okay. Is there any objection other than that disclosed or argued on the sidebar?
Go ahead.
Okay, 24H will be received as 254.
Thank you, Ms. Akini.
Okay, thank you, ma'am. You're excused. Ladies and gentlemen, the jury, we're going to take a recess for about 15 minutes. It's 10:46. We're going to be in recess until approximately 11 o'clock. Please leave your notepads on your seats. Please do not discuss the case or begin deliberating. And we'll be back with you in about 15 minutes. Thank you.